Hey, welcome back on Tech Brothers YouTube channel. I'm glad to see you again. This is a new projector called VANKYO V620. Its main features are Full HD native resolution, 200-inch screen and many connectors, so you can connect TV box, game console, laptop and even smartphone. Also, I have many accessories for this projector, such as 120-inch projector screen and aluminium tripod stand. In description, I will leave the links to buy VANKYO V620 projector, screen and tripod. However, before you go to buy the projector, watch this video with unboxing and full review. Is it really worth it? As I already said, I have the projector screen and tripod. Screen and tripod are sold additionally. They are not expensive but very useful accessories. Later I will show you the image quality with the screen and without it. This is the box of VANKYO V620. It seems that the projector is called Performance V620, but not only V620. Okay, I will call it correctly. Inside the box you will find the carrying bag with projector. I will open it a little later. Now, let's look at this white box. There are many cables inside the white box, such as HDMI, power cable, audio-video cable, VGA cable, the little foot to raise the front side of projector, and mounting screws. Also, there is a remote control and paper documentation. Okay, now let's open the bag and look at projector. By the way, the bag is very good quality. It has a pocket for cables and remote control. I like it. So here is a VANKYO Performance V620 projector. As you understand, this is not pocket projector because it doesn't have a built-in battery. However, it is quite compact compared to other projectors on the market. The dimensions are 32 by 24 by 12 centimeters. The weight is 2.7 kilograms. Yes, Performance V620 is not pocket projector, but you can carry it with you to the office, college and any other place. The bag will help you to do this comfortably. It seems the projector is available only in black color. I didn't find the white or any other color option on official website or Amazon. The top panel and side faces have a matte gray finish. Only the front face is glossy black. On the top you can find control buttons such as power, menu, input source, left, right, up, down, OK, and IR receiver for remote control. In the opposite corner there is a focus and keystone adjustment. On the front there is another IR sensor and lens. You know, it is better to close the lens with something, for example, rubber cover, when you are not using the projector. It will protect the lens from dust and scratches. On the left and right sides are the speaker and ventilation holes for cooling the projector. On the back there is another cooling grill and different connectors to the right. You can use 2 HDMI ports, 2 USB ports, VGA port and audio-video connector. At the bottom we have 4 rubber feet, filter and a thread for adjustable foot. As I already said, you can use this small foot to raise the front side of projector. Okay, so far I like VANKYO Performance V620 projector. It is quite compact compared to other projectors, had good build quality and many connectors. What about specifications? Let's talk about main features of this projector. The first thing you should know about Performance V620 projector that it has Full HD native resolution. You know, there are many budget projectors with Full HD in the title, but they have only 720p or even 480p native resolution. Performance V620 is a real Full HD projector. Also, it has 5500 LUX Brightness, 5000 by 1 contrast, screen size from 45 inches to 200 inches and 50,000 hours of lamp life. The manufacturer says that maximum noise level from this projector is 50 decibels. We will check this. Performance V620 has a speaker on sides, so I expect the good sound quality. Okay, let's turn on the projector and look at the image quality. Performance V620 doesn't have operating system, so you need to connect laptop, computer, game console, TV box, TV stick, smartphone, or any other device to projector. I have connected Android TV box using HDMI cable. If you don't see the picture, then choose another source input. The settings menu has picture mode, color temperature, aspect ratio, noise reduction, projection mode, and reduce image size. Also, there is sound settings, sleep timer, other options such as language and software update. Yes, the contrast is not as high as in the dark room, but it is still good. You can use Performance V620 for presentation. The images and even text are good even in the room with lighting. And review of VANKYO Performance V620. Honestly, I have found only one drawback in this projector: the lack of the oven operating system. You have to connect a game console, TV stick, phone, or any other device to use the projector. However, it is very simple to do and doesn't take a lot of time. In general, Performance V620 has compact size and lightweight, nice design and many connectors, as well as Full HD native resolution, good brightness and contrast. You have seen that the picture quality is very good. In description under the video I will leave the links where you can buy VANKYO Performance V620 and accessories such as screen and tripod. Thanks for watching this video. Hit the like button and subscribe to our channel Tech Brothers.